हे गाइज, आज के इस लेक्चर में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं एनसीईआरटी इंग्लिश क्लास 10th का जो फर्स्ट फ्लाइट बुक है। इस बुक से रिलेटेड प्रोज सेक्शन में जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं उन सभी चैप्टर से रिलेटेड इम्पोर्टेंट वन लाइनर क्वेश्चन से देखने वाले हैं, जो कि बेनिफिशियल होगा किन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिनके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में एमसीक्यू या शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। सो लेट्स सी गाइज।
First question: Who is the author of A Letter to God? Correct answer: G.L. Fuentes. Next question: Who was Lencho? So correct answer: a poor farmer. Next question: What destroyed Lencho's crops? So a hailstorm. How much money did Lencho ask God for? 100 pesos. Why did Lencho write a letter to God? So, for money. Next question: Who read Lencho's letter? So, the postmaster. Next question: How much money did Lencho receive? 20 pesos. Next question: Whom did Lencho blame for the missing money? The post office employees. Next question: What kind of faith did Lencho have in God? So, complete and unshakable faith in God he had. And last 10 question: What is the main message of the story? So, the story teaches us the importance of faith, hope, and kindness. First question: Who wrote Long Walk to Freedom? Correct answer: Nelson Mandela. When did Nelson Mandela become the president of South Africa? 10 May 1994. Next question: Where was the inauguration ceremony held? Correct answer: in Pretoria, South Africa. What is apartheid? A system of racial discrimination against black people. Next question: Who with who was with Mandela on the inauguration day? His daughter Chenani. Next question: What does courage mean according to Mandela? Courage means winning over fear. What are the two duties of every person according to Mandela? Duty towards family and country. Next, what did Mandela fight for? Freedom and equality for all people. Next question: Why was the inauguration important? So, correct answer: it ended apartheid and started democracy. Question number 10: What is the main message of the lesson? We should value freedom, equality, and courage. Question number first: Who wrote his first flight? Correct answer: Liam Flaherty. Who is the main character of the story? Correct answer: a young seagull. Next question: Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? So correct answer: he thought his wings would not support him. Next question: Who had already flown before the young seagull? So correct answer: his parents, brothers, and sister. Next question: Where was the young seagull sitting? So correct answer: on a ledge of the cliff. Next question: How did the mother seagull make him fly? So correct answer: she tempted him with a piece of fish. Next question: What did the young seagull do to get the fish? So correct answer: he jumped towards it. Next question: What happened when he jumped? So he started flying. Next question: How did the young seagull feel after flying? So he felt happy and confident. Question number 10: What is the message of the story? So, correct answer: we should overcome fear and believe in ourselves.
Question number first. Who wrote Black Aeroplane? So correct answer Frederick Forsyth. Next question. Who is the main character of the story? So correct answer a pilot. Next. Where was the pilot flying from? So correct answer from Paris to England. Next. Why did the pilot want to reach home early? So correct answer to have breakfast with his family. Next, what did the pilot see in front of him? So correct answer big dark storm clouds. Next question, what happened to the pilot's compass and radio? So correct answer they stopped working. Next, what appeared in the storm? So correct answer a strange black aeroplane. Next question. What did the black aeroplane do? So correct answer it guided the pilot to safety. Next question. What did the woman at the control center say? So correct answer there was no other plane in the sky. Question number 10. What is the message of the story? So correct answer some mysteries cannot be explained. Question number first. Who wrote From the Diary of Anne Frank? So correct answer Anne Frank herself. Next, how old was Anne on her birthday? So correct answer she was 13 years old. Next, what did Anne receive as a birthday gift? So correct answer a diary. Next, what name did Anne give to her diary? So correct answer Kitty. Next, why did N start writing a diary? So correct answer because she had no real friend. Next, where did N study? So correct answer at the Jewish Secondary School. Next, why was Mr. Keating angry with N? So correct answer because she talked too much in class. Next, what punishment did Mr. Keating give Anne? So correct answer he asked her to write essays. Next, what was the topic of Anne's first essay? So correct answer a chatterbox. Question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So correct answer we should express our thoughts honestly and stay positive. First question. Who wrote The Hundred Races Part 1? So correct answer Ilbisor Esther या Eleanor Estes. Next, who is the main character of the story? So correct answer Wanda Petronsky. Next, why did the children laugh at Wanda? So correct answer because she said she had 100 dresses. Next, where did Wanda sit in the classroom? So correct answer in the last row. Next, what was Wanda's surname? So correct answer Petronsky. Next, who used to make fun of Wanda the most? So correct answer Peggy and Maddie. Next, why did Wanda say she had 100 dresses? So correct answer because she dreamed of having many beautiful dresses. Next, what competition was held at a school? So correct answer a drawing and dress design competition. Next, who won the girls drawing competition? So correct answer Wanda Petronsky. Question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So correct answer never make fun of others and respect everyone. Question number first. Who wrote The Hundred Days Part 2? So correct answer Ilbisor Esther या Eleanor Estes. Next, why did Wanda leave the school? So correct answer because the children made fun of her. Next, who wrote a letter to Miss Mason. So correct answer, Wanda's father. Next, why did Maddie feel guilty? So correct answer, because she did not stop Peggy from teasing Wanda. Next, what did Peggy and Maddie want to do? So correct answer, they wanted to say sorry to Wanda. Next, did they meet Wanda? So, correct answer, no, they could not meet her. Next, what did Miss Mason receive from Wanda? So, correct answer, a letter and drawings. Next, what gift did Wanda give to Peggy and Maddie? So, correct answer, she gifted them her beautiful drawings. Next, what did Maddie learn from the incident? So, never stay silent when someone is treated badly. Question number 10. What is the message of the lesson, guys? So, correct answer, be kind, respect others, and never bully anyone, right? Question number first. Who wrote A Baker from Goa? So, correct answer, Lucio Rodriguez. Next, who is the main character of the lesson? So, correct answer, the traditional baker of Goa. Next, what is a baker called in Goa? So, correct answer, a pedder. Next, what did the baker carry in his basket? So, correct answer, bread, cakes, and buns. Next, how did the baker announce his arrival? So, correct answer, by knocking his bamboo a stick on the ground. Next, which bread was popular with children? So, correct answer, bread Bengals. Next, why was the baker important in Goan society? So, correct answer, because bread was needed for every special occasion. Next, what showed that the baker was doing well? So, correct answer, his big stomach and healthy appearance. Next, is the tradition of baking still alive in Goa? So, correct answer, yes, it is still alive. Next, question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So, correct answer, we should respect our traditions and cultural heritage. Question number first. Who wrote Kurg? So correct answer, Lokesh Abroad. Next, where is Kurg located? So correct answer, in Karnataka. Next, what is Kurg famous for? So correct answer, coffee plantations and natural beauty. Next, what is the best time to visit Kurg? So correct answer, from September to March. Next, what are the people of Kurg called? So correct answer, Kodaus. Next, what is the main occupation of the people of Kurg? So correct answer, coffee farming. Next, which river begins in Kurg? So correct answer, the Kaveri river. Next, what adventure activities can tourists enjoy in Kurg? So correct answer, river rafting, trekking and mountain climbing. Next, why was the Kodaus famous? So correct answer, for their bravery and hospitality. Next, question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So correct answer, we should appreciate nature and respect different cultures. Question number first. Who wrote Tea from Assam? So correct answer, Arup Kumar Datta. Next, who are the two main characters in the lesson? So correct answer, Rajveer and Pranjol. Next, where was Rajveer going? So correct answer, to Assam. Next, what is Assam famous for? So correct answer, tea gardens. Next,
what did Rajveer see from the train? So correct answer, green tea plantations. Next, what did Pranjol's father do? So he was the manager of a tea estate. Next, which tea is considered the best in the world? So Assam tea. Next, what did Rajveer tell Pranjol about tea? So correct answer, tea was first drunk in China. Next, what is the main work in a tea garden? So correct answer, plucking tea leaves. Question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So correct answer, we should learn about India's natural beauty and rich heritage. Question number first. Who wrote Misville the Otter? So correct answer, Gavin Maxwell. Next, what kind of animal was Misville? So an otter. Next, where did Gavin Maxwell get Misville? So correct answer, in Basra, Iraq. Next, what name did Maxwell give to the otter? So correct answer, Misville. Next, why did Maxwell take Miz to London? So correct answer, to keep him as a pet. Next, what did Miz like to play with? So correct answer, water and a small toys. Next, how did Miz behave in the aeroplane? So correct answer, he became restless and escaped from his box. Next, what did people in London think Miz was? So correct answer, they thought he was a strange animal. Next, what was special about Miz? So correct answer, he was intelligent, playful and friendly. Next, question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So correct answer, we should love, care for and respect animals. Question number first. Who wrote Madam Rides the Bus? So correct answer, Wali Kanan. Next, who is the main character of the story? So correct answer, Wali. Next, how old was Wali? So correct answer, she was 8 years old. Next, what was Wali's biggest wish? So correct answer, to ride a bus alone. Next, how much was the one-way bus fare? So correct answer, 30 paise. Next, where did Wali travel by bus? So correct answer, to the nearest town. Next, why did Wali not get off the bus in the town? So correct answer, she wanted to save money and return on the same bus. Next, what sad thing did Wali see on her return journey? So correct answer, a dead cow on the road. Next, did Wali tell her mother about the journey? So correct answer, no. She kept it a secret. Next, question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So correct answer, curiosity, courage and careful planning help us learn new things. Question number first. Who wrote the sermon at Banaras? So correct answer, Betty Renshaw. Next, who is the main religious teacher in the lesson? So correct answer, Gautam Buddha. Next, who was Kissa Gautami? So correct answer, a young woman whose only son had died. Next, why did Kissa Gautami go to Buddha? So correct answer, she wanted her dead son to become alive again. Next, what did Buddha ask Kissa Gautami to bring? So, correct answer, a handful of mustard seeds from a house where no one had died. Next, did Kissa Gautami find such a house? So, correct answer, no, she did not. Next, what did Kissa Gautami learn? So, correct answer, death comes to every family. Next, what did Buddha teach about life? So correct answer, life is short and death is certain. Next, what happened to Kissa Gautami in the end? So correct answer, she accepted the truth and became Buddha's follower. Next, question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? So correct answer, we should accept the truth of life and death with courage. Question number first. Who wrote the proposal? So correct answer, Anton Chekhov. Next. Who is the main character of the play? So correct answer, Ivan Lomov. Next. Why did Lomov visit Chubukov's house? So correct answer, to ask for Natalia's hand in marriage. Next. Who was Natalia? So correct answer, Chubukov's daughter. Next. What was the first argument between Lomov and Natalia about? So correct answer, oxen meadows. Next, what was their second argument about? So correct answer, their dogs, Guess and Squeezer. Next, what happened to Lomov during the arguments? So correct answer, he became very nervous and fainted. Next, did Natalia agree to marry Lomov? So correct answer, yes, she agreed. Next, what kind of play is the proposal? So correct answer, it is a humorous one act play. Next, question number 10. What is the message of the play? So correct answer, pride and silly arguments can create unnecessary problems. So thanks for watching guys. Take care. Bye.